I was so stressed, I was ready to quit the industry. I've been in the balloon decorating industry for probably 4 years, and during COVID, all of our events just plummeted. My husband made us these big 8-foot numbers. Everybody loved them. We were doing all kinds of awesome stuff outside. And when May rolled around, we were doing outdoor decor. Our foils were popping. We're having a lot of failures. And really, I was ready to throw in the towel. So I called Joette, ugly crying, telling her, I'm gonna quit the industry. I'm done, I'm leaving. And she said, hold up. Join me in Balloon Boss Mastermind. Have education out here to tell you why your foils are popping and how to fix it. I have the answer. Come and join me in Balloon Boss Mastermind. I learned so much. She has so many videos out there you could watch for hours and hours and hours. She wants to give you the knowledge to be successful. In the group of Balloon Boss Mastermind, if you have a question, you ask. She answers you fully and quickly. And you also have all your other friends that are around in Balloon Boss Mastermind cheering you on, chiming in, helping out. It's very helpful to have someone so knowledgeable want to see you succeed, because if you have a problem, then they're gonna help find the solution for you. She also has calls every month where you have a roundtable discussion, and if you're having a problem, you can just voice it and they'll help you. She also has guest speakers come on. They had Jessica Sterling come in and tell you about how to actually analyze your numbers. You're being exposed to other tools to help you be more successful and more professional. I have had so much success. I was able to purchase a brand new Ford Transit van. My business is thriving and we're doing more than ever now. You really owe it to yourself and your business to join Balloon Boss Mastermind with Joette. You will definitely thrive and have the best year ever.